Hi guys, this is Sriram. I'm from team 8 of CSC1. So our topic is vending machine.
This is Karthik. I am Andip.
I'm Sankita. I'm Shalini.
So introduction. So our introduction is vending machine. This is made of Arduino. So here there are three possibilities: 2 rupees, 3 rupees, and 5 rupee coins. Once they are inserted, we have to press the button, and then it accepts the value and then gives the output according to the value.
And this is the coin accepted. We have to insert the coin.
And the electrical vending machines, mechanical vending machines, smart vending machines are existing solutions. This is Arduino Uno vending machine, and the advantages of this is cost efficiency and time availability 24/7 and time efficiency also. And disadvantages.
Disadvantages: don't allow any card and insert a coin. The coin will be don't come back.
Components which are coin box, Arduino Uno, breadboard, LCD, surround.
So this is the buzzer. So once the input is given, it starts buzzing so that it indicates that the coin is being accepted, and then it gives the output.
You can see this. We have to select the item. After selecting the item, the buzzer motors are working. As they working, the output will be shown.